Hello everyone. Rio Daniel here. This is going to be an unusual live today. Right now, I'm actually on holiday over in London, England for this week, taking care of a few bucket list items, if that makes sense to you. But I just could not help it but to create a live. I had another training that I was just going through a couple of days ago, something I did for my own personal membership site, and I wanted to share this because Highlevel doesn't go over it, and I haven't really seen anybody cover this type of training. It's how do you actually track the analytics of a membership offer. So there's some reporting that happens inside of memberships. Well, before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button, hit that little bell notification so you get notified whenever we have just some new trainings. But this right here is going to be a little bit different. It's not going to be broadcast at my normal time. Like I said, I'm out of the country, and I'm actually on a different setup here. Just enjoying my first cup of coffee this morning. So right now I want to hop into it. So right now, one of the problems that I've seen personally is I offer, and I'm going to do a little bit plug here as an example in this case, I offer a free high-level membership course. So inside of this course, it goes all through how to get your account set up, how to get your business account, your business sub account up and running within about one business day. And that's what I built it for. I built it for you, not for your clients, just to get you up on Highlevel, you functioning, so that in turn you can start getting clients and moving forward very quickly without having to take the entire trial time of our Highlevel trial up just getting your account set up. I don't want you to waste that. I want you to get up and go into the day. Then I want you up getting clients the next day. So in that, I have my high-level membership course. I've created in Highlevel, of course. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at that. So inside of this, you will see memberships. And if you forgive me here, this is a little bit of a different setup here. I just need to make sure that everything is going well with the recording. Yep, everything looks good. So, okay, just need to make sure that everything was good there. Because like I said, I've got a bit of a different setup here today. So inside of the high-level membership, I'm not going to go over everything in memberships. It's going to be a little bit redundant here today. But if you wanted to look at the membership stuff, I have another video that goes like a full hour or so, a little bit shy of an hour. It goes over all the membership stuff. So inside of here, I've got different products. Like I have a high-level training that you see there's 159 members subscribed to, so I can see how many people are in the program. And then you see some high-level affiliate courses. So there's 5 people in here. These are the people that sign up under my link. These are the people. This is the training that I offer them. This is all the snapshots, all the onboarding training. All that stuff is inside of this course that you get if you sign up. But what I'm focusing on here is this one, this high-level course. It shows you how many members showed up. But the problem is that Highlevel doesn't show you how many on a daily basis sign up. Now, I have a workflow set up that notifies me whenever a new person signs up. So, that is one way of notifying it, just by getting a text message. But I can't go back and look over the last week, over the last 2 weeks, the last month, how many people I've gotten during that time period, or the last quarter, and so forth. So, here just a few days ago, yes, I was working on, sorry, it's a little bit loud in here. Yes, I was working on my holiday because I get up early and that's me. But I wanted to come here and bring this what I found to you is inside if you look at the courses and you look at just analytics, this right here is analytics. It doesn't really go over what I'm talking about. It doesn't show you the signups. And not only more important, where are those signups from? Are they from, like me, are they US based, or right now I'm in the UK, so are they UK based, or where are they from? So it doesn't tell you any of that information. So you have to be able to gather that data yourself if you want it. This right here just says course progress, assessments, and revenue. This is about what happens inside of the membership course. So it doesn't tell you what happens on the launch picture when people are signing up. So what we need to do is we need to get Google Analytics involved. Okay, now I have created another video regarding how to integrate Google Analytics to your funnels and websites, but I did not show you how to do it to your membership offer. So you can track each offer individually through Google Analytics, and I'm going to show you how to do that on this training. So here, just as a briefly in short, I'm going to go back to websites, and I'm just going to show you that inside of Google Analytics, you would just open up a funnel or website, you would go to your settings, and you would place this code here. Now, this is a site that I've been kind of playing with here. I don't have analytics on this one, but this header tracking code, you would just go into the website, go to your settings, and you would paste the head tracking code from Google Analytics right here. Okay, fair enough. That's what the other training in the video that I went over showed you how to do. Now, one of the things here is a lot of people don't understand. They have a false misconception that in order to track the other is a high-level training. So I'm just going to preview this. Now, I haven't built this out. I don't have a funnel. I could have done this. I could have built a funnel around this and given it a custom domain and everything else like that. I could have done that, but I didn't because I don't want to go through all that extra effort. When Highlevel at least will do that for me. So I'm using the basic sign-up page here from Highlevel. This is what it is. So this right here is the domain. Now notice in this domain, I don't think I could blow this up here. No, I can't. So this is msgsndr.com. So this is an internal high-level domain that they use. Okay, so right now I wanted to track this. This right here, this whole URL is what I wanted to track because I wanted to find out the number of people that are coming to this particular page. Now, people can only get to this page a couple of different ways. They can either click on it through my link that I have in my YouTube videos. That's one way of getting to it. And if you go select your particular account, what you're going to end up doing is creating a new property. Okay, and notice that I already have a high-level free course here. So this is already set up, but if you wanted to, you can create a property, give it a property name, and just follow the wizard with a couple of details. One of those details are going to be the web address. You know, do you want to track the website or do you want to track iOS or Android application? What do you want to track? Well, you just need to make sure that you have this URL, and when you go to the web, that you choose this URL in there to create the property. So again, just sorry, and that's a whole different type of thing. I don't want to walk through that in this video. I just want to show you that you just create a property underneath here. So I have one main account just for Rayo Daniel, and underneath Rayo Daniel, just for organizational purposes, I create all of my other sites that I'm tracking. Well, here is one of them. So inside of here, I believe it's just under data streams. And for data streams, you have iOS for the for Apple, Android, if we want to track Android for apps, or the web. And the web is what I chose. Here's the free course. So if I look at this, I can click on this, scroll all the way down here, and just manage site tags. This is if you've already created it. Typically, if you create this, at the end of the creation process, it will give you this code that you can copy and paste. But nope, I must have hit the wrong one. Configure tag settings here, I think. Sorry. So here, for the Google tag, we're going to click on this particular tag here that we got created here. And of course, I'm getting lost here for some reason. Why is that? View tag instructions. So it's one of these. Okay, so view tag instructions. Sorry if I got lost. It is morning. I may have another drink of coffee. I still need to wake up. So here's the Google tag information right now. So you can install it. They have an installer if you build it. You can use this to help you put it in there and give you instructions on how to set it up. Like if you're using WordPress, this right here is pretty straightforward. If you want to install it manually, which is what you want to do as Highlevel, you just want to copy this information. You do that by clicking this little icon here that just says copy. Once you do that, that's all you need. You can then come back into Highlevel. We don't need this page. What we need to do is come into the actual offer. Go into the setup of the offer here, which is what we're going to do. Now here, this is, if you want to know how to set up an offer, this is the membership training that I offer. Go look at that. We'll go step by step over what option to take on setting up a course and how to set it up. But one of the things I didn't go over, or might not have gone over and shown you how to, is under the advanced area. Under the advanced area for this, we have custom JavaScript. If you have custom JavaScript, custom CSS, if you want to change the style of this. But notice down here, there's a tracking. You can do header code, or you can do footer code. So right now, typically, Google asks you to put it in header code. I just copy and pasted that information right here. So you see it's got the Google tag information in there. And now that I've done that, this was done just, I think, about 2 days ago, because it's one of those things that I haven't followed up on. I should have done it, honestly, months ago. But it's just been on that list, kind of like everybody has that list where you just don't get to it. So anyway, right now that we have that, what we can do is simply come back in and look at this. So I think I'm going to come back out, go to home, and just kind of show you some stats. Now, this is a free service, by the way. All it takes is, literally you can get this set up in 10 to 15 minutes on your offer. And now you can start tracking each individual offer because each offer has its own unique URL. So if you have multiple offers, if you've got those offers through funnels, and you want to see how many people are logging in, if you're using the offer page directly, then you could do this. If you're not using the offer page directly, then this won't work. If you've got your product or service set up in a funnel or sold on your website, then you're going to track that from your funnel or your website tracking code. You're not going to do that from the offer page like I am. But I'm lazy, so I'm not building a funnel around this. I'm just using the basic high-level offer page. However, the problem is that it's not tracking how many people sign up for that. Because of that, I don't see the stats on that. I can't see that because I'm using Highlevel's domain. Kind of a little bit frustrating. So that's why I went through this to create this video that shows you. Here we've had 7 users sign up, 9 new users, just some basic information. But the biggest thing that I really like to do is come down here in this area and look at some of these stats here. So if we scroll over, notice that we've had 3 people sign up from the US, 2 from the United Kingdom, 2 from the Philippines, and 1 from Spain. So these are the statistics that I really want to look at and know, where are my users at? So a lot of my users in the US? No. From this one, out of all the users, they're non-US based people. So if you ever want to start targeting your offer and, again, targeting specifically to a specific area or region, well, you might want to know this. You might want to know who are the people that are signing up or hitting this page, and Google Analytics can tell you that for free. So that's why I wanted to create this training, just so that you have it, because why wouldn't you want to do it? Why wouldn't you want to set up analytics if it takes you 10 minutes one time for your offer? Once your offer is completed, just set it up and boom. And now you start gathering data just in real time. Now notice these are the last 7 days, but you can go back and look at the last X number of days or however you want to do it, which is, again, a great way to do this because that's what Google Analytics offers you. Now, here, if you wanted to, you could see some of the other statistics. If you wanted to know how the people are linking to you, it does give you some additional information here. But you kind of get the point here. I just wanted to show you how this works and how you can get this working for you. So hopefully, if this answers several of your questions here, but this is how you get your custom membership offer inside of Highlevel. You start tracking it using Google Analytics because most people have a belief that you cannot track a domain that you don't own or you don't believe, and that's not true. So go ahead and do this. Please go ahead and get this set up. It doesn't take any time to do so. That's all I had. It's just a real quick video to show you what I found out, how I got my system set up so that you can do the same and you start gathering the same data on your side. If you like the video, click on the comment below, leave me a quick comment if you found it useful, or if you didn't find it useful. I don't know, depending upon your situation. If you're not a course creator or you don't have offers to sell through Highlevel in this course, this training probably won't do you much good. So anyway, I just wanted to give this guy to you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel. If you are interested in signing up for Highlevel, please use my affiliate link. It is in the link below. Sign up for your 14-day free trial. I do support the people that sign up underneath me because I do want to make sure that you're successful. As you can tell by the training on my YouTube channel, I'm very knowledgeable and I'm very passionate about helping people out succeed. But of course, when you sign up